We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print a supply status page, and I'm working with an HP MFP M479-FDW. So this one's pretty easy. You'll want to click your little settings wheel right here. You want to scroll all the way down to reports, and then you're going to find supply status. Supply status page, hit that, and then it'll start printing it. You can find useful information on this page, such as your original install date, how many pages you printed on that cartridge, and so on. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.